Hello, dear friends. I'm glad that you found Guangzhou Jinxu False Eyelashes Corporation. We are providing high quality false eyelashes and working for 10 years, so you can be sure about us. If you want to quickly own your own high-quality false eyelashes product sales company of your own, you can try to cooperate with us. We can provide you with a full range of false eyelashes product customization so that you can easily own your own brand products, start your own great career, and help every woman around you show her most beautiful side. We provide exclusive customization and provide customized solutions suitable for your according to your actual situation. So there is no need to worry about too much pressure. You only need to provide your exclusive logo and determine the product details that needs to be customized and leave the rest of the work to us. At the same time, we provide free sample testing and logo proofing services to eliminate your doubts. There's our FDA and MSDS certificates so you can make sure the products are safe to use.